How long do gulls live? Have you ever watched a gull soaring over the ocean and wondered how long these fascinating birds can live? Gulls are a common sight along coastlines and even in urban areas. Their intelligence and adaptability help them thrive in various environments. The lifespan of gulls can vary quite a bit depending on the species and their surroundings. On average, most gulls live between 10 to 20 years. However, some species can live much longer. In fact, certain gulls have been recorded living up to 49 years. Isn't that impressive? Different species have different lifespans. For example, lesser black-backed gulls usually live around 15 years, while some herring gulls can reach ages of 29 years or more. Several factors influence how long gulls live. Environmental conditions play a big role. Gulls that have access to plenty of food and live in clean habitats tend to live longer. On the other hand, those exposed to pollutants or living in poor conditions may not have the same luck. Predation is another factor that can affect their lifespan. Gulls face threats from various predators and human activities like urbanization and pollution. These threats can increase mortality rates and shorten their lives. When it comes to their development, large gull species take about 4 years to reach full adult plumage. Smaller species may mature in just 2 years. This slower maturation process allows them to develop strong social behaviors that help them adapt to their environments. Speaking of social behaviors, gulls are highly social birds. They often live in large colonies, which is essential for their survival. Their social structure includes complex communication and cooperative behaviors. These interactions are vital for their success in the wild. Understanding how long gulls live can help with marine conservation efforts. By recognizing the factors that influence their lifespan, we can better manage coastal ecosystems. Protecting these birds from threats like pollution and habitat loss is important. This knowledge can also help us manage gull populations in urban areas where they sometimes clash with human activities. So next time you see a gull, remember that these remarkable birds have a lifespan that can vary widely. From 10 to 20 years on average, with some living much longer, gulls are truly fascinating creatures of the ocean.